Welcome back to this course, Introduction to Cloud. This course is a presentation of Coding Boot Camps. This is session 2, Cloud Computing. Just to recap, this is what we have learned so far, an overview of cloud technology and cloud technology terminologies. Our agenda today, overview of cloud computing, the different types of varieties of cloud computing, public, private, or hybrid, types of cloud services, so software as a service, infrastructure as a service, or platform as a service, and uses of cloud computing. So in general, cloud computing is the delivery of computing services, including hardware and servers, storage, database, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence using the internet as a medium. So to offer faster invocation, flexible resources, and economies of scale. Often, it's a rental model. So when you need additional computing power, you can contract with a cloud provider and they can actually deliver to you the additional computer resources you need for the time that you need. And then when it's no longer needed, those computer resources are then powered down and you are no longer charged for them. Different varieties of cloud computing. So there is public clouds, which is something like an Amazon or something like an Azure or the IBM cloud. That's where a business is offering computing services to another business or an individual, again, over the internet, using the internet as a medium. There are private clouds and also virtual private clouds. So a private cloud, pure private cloud, would be a data center which is owned by the firm itself, which is under the control of the firm itself. And then they are able to create or they're able to create cloud images or offer cloud services to the business. And then there's hybrid cloud, where the firm is actually using some local or some private cloud products and also using the services of a public cloud. And then there is a virtual private cloud where a public cloud provides computing services. However, the computing services being offered by the public cloud provider put a virtual private network or a VPN on the computing software, so it actually becomes part of the customer's network. So again, types of cloud services, SaaS or software as a service, infrastructure as a service, and platform as a service. So we could see here software as a service. Those are hosted applications or apps. So Gmail is a very good example of software as a service, or QuickBooks. Then there's platform as a service. Those are database management and business analytics and also operating systems that are available for customers to use with their own data and their own applications. They just don't need to provide the database. They use the cloud provider's database. They don't need to provide the operating system. The customer uses the cloud provider's operating system. And then infrastructure as a service includes storage and storage devices, servers and hardware, networking, firewalls and security, and data center physical plants and buildings. So the uses of cloud computing: to create cloud native applications, so to build applications and run them on the cloud and take advantage of the cloud's ability to scale up when needed. Test and build applications. So quite often firms need to test applications, but they don't want to be maintaining all the testing hardware. So they will have a cloud provider deliver the testing hardware, which will be identical to the production hardware to get a better test. And also the applications can also be built within that cloud environment as well. Storage and backup and recovery. So this would be off-site storage of data. analyze data, so take advantage of the incredible computing power that many of these data centers have in order to analyze data and search for trends. Again, take advantage of the expanded resources of a cloud provider and stream audio and video. Embed intelligence, so any applications that are able to process intelligence, and also deliver software services on demand. So whether the firm needs certain software, such as Salesforce type of software, or even a accounting type of applications, or HR type of applications, it can be delivered to the firm as needed. The firm doesn't have to worry about all the overhead of hosting those software applications. And also, firms can make their software products available to their customers through the cloud. So more on cloud computing. So for more discussion on cloud computing and its business use cases, consult your learning materials. Again, a recap, we had our overview of cloud computing. We talked about the types of cloud computing: public clouds, private clouds, and hybrid clouds. Types of cloud computing services: software as a service, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and the uses of cloud computing. Our next session is Introduction to DevOps. This is a great topic. Again, thank you for watching this video, and this video has been a presentation of Coding Bootcamps.